Case study time. All right, guys, we're going to be talking about 5 units that we flipped, and we had none of our own money invested. We made $35,000 flipping these 5 units. So 5 units was actually 2 buildings. There was a duplex, which you can see right behind me. This was part of it. And then right up this street around the corner, probably 1,000 feet away, there's a 3-family building. So these 2 units here and 3 up there, that's 5 total units. We contracted to purchase these units for $250,000. That essentially is $50,000 a unit. These are all 2-bedroom, 1-bath in this building and over in the other building, which we'll see in a second. And we sold them for $285,000. That is a difference of about $7,000 per unit. So we bought them at basically $50,000 a unit. We sold them for $57,000 a unit. We used none of our own money. We essentially sent a contract to the seller to purchase each unit at $50,000, $250,000 total for 5 units. And then we took our contract and we sold that contract to a cash buyer here locally. That cash buyer was willing to pay $285,000 for those 5 units, which is $57,000 a unit. Essentially, we flipped 5 houses, and by doing 5 units at one time, or wholesaled 5 at once, and we made a $7,000 wholesale per unit. So this particular deal is going to net us, or already netted us. We closed on this one a couple of months back, but I wanted to do a quick case study on it. But this deal right here netted us $35,000. We had none of our own money invested in this deal. I think we maybe put $500 down in escrow, in earnest money, with the title company to secure our contract and make it valid and legal, but we didn't actually buy it. We just controlled it with a contract. So that's the cool thing about wholesaling, is you can limit your risk and you can take it down to basically zero, and you can buy and sell houses without even having to buy them. I love this business. So $35,000 total, 5 units. Here's 2 right here, and we're gonna go take a look at the other 3 right now. Let's go. All right, guys, here's the other 3 units I'm standing in front of right here. And you can see 1, 2, and 3. So 3 units here, 2 units up the street. That is a total of 5 units, $7,000 per door. Bought at $50, sold at $57. Didn't even have to use any of our own money. And we made a $35,000 profit wholesaling real estate that we didn't even really buy. We controlled it. I love this strategy. It is so incredibly awesome. Guys, go check out freewholesalecourse.com to learn how you guys can do this too. All the contracts that I use are in that course. Check it out.